Good morning. Today, on this day, a legend was born. Kelly, come. Happy birthday, Mama.
Yeah.
Sino?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Mama, Mahakasha. I love you. So we're getting ready to go for breakfast. What Katie gonna eat?
Cupcake.
Cupcake? Girl, it's like 9:30. You gonna eat cupcake for breakfast? Alright, it's my day, so it's your day. My makeup artist.
Hi.
I have hay fever. Like, it could be bad. So we're actually praying that, you know, today it gives me the chance to be great, because we need to take pictures. Where are you going with those shoes? Where? You going with those shoes? You going outside with those shoes?
I don't know.
Huh? You like them?
Hi.
My turn to get my face put on. I don't have time for makeup. I really admire the people that do.
Why are you opening your mouth?
I don't even know.
Oh my god.
So I really admire the people that do put on makeup, because
Look up.
really I love, well, how?
Look up, like up in the sky.
Oh.
Not your whole head, your
Oh,
eye.
girl!
Up.
Yeah. I can't even follow you. Anyways, I really admire people that wake up like
Don't
an
switch.
hour before to
What
do
do you
it, because that hour
You spectacular.
I'm gonna clip. What is this again?
Okay, sure.
Foundation, guys. This is a tutorial one time.
No. This is just a basic, guys.
Oh, I had to add, I'm 26, by the way. I know I look really young, right?
Not yourself, girlfriend.
This is probably the 4th time I've put foundation on my face. Because, yeah, your girl don't know how to do them things and really don't have time for it. And this is... This was what?
Face powder.
Face powder, guys. And now we're going to put
Blush.
blush. Put in highlighter, guys. Yay!
Kaylee's boy.
You don't even need
More cake. See?
spray.
Don't flinch. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. Don't flinch when I spray it. Don't open your eyes. Oh, don't open.
This is to set the makeup.
Yeah. I mean, you don't have a lot on, but. Okay.
That's it.
Yeah, see? That doesn't take long. Basics, huh?
Baby, come sit on my lap. Let's say this story quick, and then we're going on the road because I'm hungry. So, Mama has a scar. You see Mama's scar?
Yeah.
You have a scar too? Girl, bye. I have a scar because when I was about 5, I think, my mom was washing clothes in the back, and we lived on the 2nd story of a house. And in the back, you can go down stairs. Yeah. Stacey was there and across me. That's how many years ago.
Why?
But my mom was watching them, and you can go downstairs through like walking down a hill, literally, with big rocks, and it was just really dangerous. So my mom was washing clothes, and you know the soap water just run on cement, and it just run on the road all over. And I saw a chicken. And I went behind of it. What are you doing? Huh?
It's close.
Yeah, Kissy Moy. I went behind that chicken and I slipped and I fell down that hill. And my last landing was on a big rock. All I could remember was my mom screaming for her life. Sorry, mother. Sorry for putting you through that. Mahut, I survived. Just, I bust my chin and I had to get 3 stitches. So now, the scar is still there. Scar chin. Kelly, you scar chin too? No. Thought so. You don't have a scar in chin, okay? Let's go eat. What are we gonna eat again?
Okay.
Yeah. I said pancakes and she's like, cupcake. You got a cupcake? No, pancakes.
You want pancakes? You like it or?
Look at this mess. It's raining. Nobody's stopping Feffie. I'm gonna eat, shop, and eat. This is so beautiful.
Matcha Japan, baby.
My Japanese friend. Japanese. We're at Lilith Coffee. I ordered cherry tea. It's, I think, iced tea. Yeah, you can read it. It's a small and cozy place, but because of the rain, we can't sit outside. Kaylee want to eat. Which one? The chocolate? Smack like item. So we just had breakfast. As you can tell, we're walking with an umbrella still. I'm full too, but I always have space for other stuff. That's me. I have 7 stomachs. Is a cow that have 7 stomachs, right?
Yeah.
I'm a cow. Here walking in the New Benawek. Oh, by the way, the place called Lilith. You should check it out.
You're protected though.
I can't wait. I can't multitask. Hold on. I think you hold this and I hold a shirt. No, maybe not. Okay. Stacy practicing because I'm gonna be an aunt soon. Oh, sorry, I didn't have to sit down. No, she's not gonna be an aunt. She's just practicing because if I want to go out, Kaylee needs to go somewhere. So we just came from eating and we bought some stuff. And my girl is here playing with. What's that? Yaki slime. Hey, and what color is the slime? Lalo, guys. Lalo. So, Kelly, what's this? Food. We have pillow and saltfish, and it's thebomb.com. Although I like my saltfish sweet, this make it salty, like saltfish. And it's basically cassava,
Fried cassava.
boiled and then fried. And it is bang. So if you guys, I think I should just make a recipe on it. It's really good.
You already have food in your mouth, baby.
What is this? Noodles. Looking for my brother. Don't know where he is. We are heading to my favorite place. We're going on vacation.
Don't brag on. Hey, that's a vacation.
So, picked up my brother. Well, picked up. I'm saying picked up because we were at the same station, just 2 minutes away from each other, and we couldn't find each other, and it was instructions going wrong. Guys, they're going to join me for session. Yes, another year older.
Another year wiser.
I'm not so sure about it. I am not a year wiser for real yet. Ready to eat. And yeah, I'm not even gonna film this, or maybe I am, because you always see sushi every year, May the 31st, on my channel. So maybe it's boring. Don't worry.
It's your favorite.
I'm gonna switch it up a bit after a couple years.